Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art and I'm Chandrani. In this tutorial, we will learn how to paint a portrait with neon color effect with simple brushes and techniques. Let's get started. First, we need to choose our background. For that, I'm selecting darker orange color and applying some texture brushes strokes to give it a nice abstract look. Best option is to choose a color which is similar to your subject. Like in this painting, darker orange is a similar kind of color that I'm gonna use for this background. Now sketch. Draw a circle, draw a slight curved vertical line at the center like this. Draw the hairstyle of your choice. As it's a basic practice, so I'm leaving the hair normal. Here I am using simple round brushes, and for the texture I am just increasing the scattering option of the brushes, and this will give you a nice texture brush. Believe me, it just works amazingly. Try it. Let me know in the comment section below how was your experience with this scattering options. Draw the face, but remember this would be the rough one, so take a separate layer for it and lock the layer. Now apply shades as per your reference, and also apply whatever color you want to apply if you have any requirement for your colors. Just remember, you should apply lighter color for the highlighted area and the darker color for the shadowy part. Okay? Sometimes we don't need to apply any new color, but just mixing and blending the existing color will give you the color that you need. As it's a quick painting, so I'm not spending my much more time on it. But if you want, you can do it. Remember, the more time you will spend on your painting, the more beautiful it will turn into. Okay. Now add some detailings for the precising parts like eyelashes, eyebrows, nose, mouth line, etc. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you do so, please hit the like button. And if you are new and you want to learn art related things like digital painting, hand drawings too, then please do subscribe my channel. From now on, I'm going to upload video each and every day with hand drawings and digital painting both. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I will see you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.